Have you heard of SB-326? California's balcony law. It can absolutely make or break a sale if you're selling a property that's in a condo complex or an HOA. So here's what you need to know before listing the property. SB-326, also known as the Balcony Inspection Bill, was signed in 2019 and went into effect for all new builds as of January 1st, 2020. However, inspections on previously built properties did not take effect until the beginning of 2025. This bill required inspections of all EEEs, that's exterior elevated elements. Things like balconies, decks, and walkways all fall under this particular umbrella of EEEs. And this bill applies to condos in an HOA community that have 3 or more units within them. And the purpose? To prevent balcony failures. Hi, I'm Ashley Rivera. I'm a certified probate real estate advisor here in San Diego County, and I'd like you to tell me in the comment box below, did you know about SB-326 before this video? And tell me, how did you think it could affect your sale? So what does this bill cover? Well, it includes any condos or HOA communities with 3 or more dwellings that have wood-based structures that are 6 feet or higher off the ground. The thing we want you to know is if you have a property that happens to be in a condo complex or HOA community that happens to have some of these wooden or wood-based structures, is that this inspection was due by the beginning of 2025. The inspection has to be done by a structural engineer, and potentially there might be other individuals like civil engineers that could be included, but at this time, only structural engineers are allowed to complete this particular type of inspection. The inspector is supposed to do a visual inspection of many of these wooden-based structures, and when they do this inspection, they might also bring other tools with them. Some of these tools might be a moisture meter or an infrared camera so that they can get more information about what's going on with these wood structures. This inspection report will contain things like the condition and remaining life of the structure, maybe if there is any concerns or damage, dry rot, any safety issues that might be hazardous, as well as recommended repairs and timelines for those repairs. The final report will go to the HOA board, and from there they'll decide what to do with it. If there are hazards that are concerning, it may go to local officials. There are penalties for non-compliance. So this could be maybe if the inspection report was never completed, or if there are repairs that need to be done because there are hazards that have not been finished. But what really matters to you is how it affects the sale of the home. Buyers and their lenders will oftentimes require you to provide a copy of this report. This typically is going to be done through HOA docs, and then they'll know whether or not there's an issue with this particular SB-326 bill. If your HOA has not completed this inspection, it could delay or even possibly cause cancellation of an escrow of the property that you're going to be selling. Before you list the property, you're going to want to be proactive. You can contact the HOA and ask for a copy of the report. You can confirm that if there are any repairs that are listed on the report, that the HOA has had them completed or has them scheduled. And when you know what the situation is with these repairs, you can factor that into your sales timeline. If this feels a little overwhelming, you can also request that your real estate professional handle this for you. Know that SB-326 is not just red tape. It's about safety, reliability, and protecting the value of a property. Knowing that your HOA is staying ahead of these inspection reports is important. When they're completed, it makes the property more valuable to buyers and in turn, more valuable to you. If you're a trustee or an executor here in San Diego, get ahead of this and contact the HOA and just ask if they've completed the SB-326 or not. And if you'd like more informative videos like this, please like, comment, and subscribe. We love getting your comments in the box below because it gives us an opportunity to really answer your specific questions. Thanks for watching.